Alright people, so today we are going to solve another Leetcode question which is called concatenation of array. Seems okay. So here we are given an integer array nums of length n. Okay, so we are given an array nums. I should just reset this first. And here we are given an integer array nums, and you want to create an answer array of length double of the previous array, where we have to ensure that answer is equals to nums I and ans I plus n is equals to nums I. Okay, and for I is basically this range from I is equals to 0 to n, right? So what we have to do is basically the we will look at this in the first way. Input when the nums array is 1 comma 2 comma 1, the output would be 1 comma 2 comma 1 and again 1 comma 2 comma 1. So basically the nums array looks this, the answer array looks this plus as it is this, like this and this, just after that, right? So another example, 1321 to 1321 1321. This is what the thing is. So we are going to code this in Java today, and what we will do in this thing. So first of all, it's a very easy question. So what we will do is first of all we'll create a int size which is equals to just nums dot length, and that's something which we created a variable for. Then what we'll do is we'll just do an for loop which would go like for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and we'll simply do as said ans I is equals to nums I. So what this does is it initializes I nums I. What it does is basically I is 0 and I is 0, the nums I, that is num 0, that is the first position of this array, of the given array, it becomes the first position of the answer array. And we'll do this same thing as I plus n, ans I plus n is also equals to nums I, because that's what we are told to do, right? Ans I plus n, that means ans ith position when it is 0 and n is the total size. Basically n is size, so I'll just replace it with size with n. So n is basically the whole size of the array. So 3 plus 0, that is third index, that is fourth position. So the fourth position becomes zeroth of nums, right? That's what is happening. So this is what the loop will do. The loop will initialize the answer array with the required values, right? And let's create the answer as well. So int ans is equals to new int, and what is the length? It's n, right? I hope this is the way to initialize the array, as I'm not uh, really comfortable in Java. Let me just check it once. Yep, this is what it is actually. So that's it, and we'll just return ans, and hopefully this should work. And as you can see, the test cases are okay. It's a compiler. Okay, my apologies. This I just double equals to, which is not supposed to be done here, that it is. Why is it going out of bounds? I plus n, is it going out of wrong? Okay, I have to make the size of the array 2 times of n, right? Because the new answer array is double the size of the initial array, right? So that's why you have to also continue debugging. And yep, obviously the case is running, and we can see that when we submit the code we get the 96% runtime beating percentile. And memories, obviously we are lacking somewhere. We can make it just better by using some very crazy things which the crazy lead coders do. But this is it for today, and thank you for watching guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one.